Hello friends, welcome to Soumiz World. Today I will make the egg French toast. This is so quick and easy and takes so less time. It's soft inside and crunchy on the sides and super simple yet delicious to make with only 4 main ingredients. And you can enjoy it in breakfast or as an evening snacks. So let's get started. So the main ingredients for this is 2 to 3 white breads, 2 eggs, 1 tablespoon of onion grated, 2 green chilies chopped, and salt to taste. The optional items what I'm using today, it's half teaspoon of chili flakes, 2 to 3 tablespoon of half and half or milk, and grated cheese. So at first I'm grating the onion in a grater to make approximately 1 tablespoon of grated onions out of it. Chopping 2 to 3 green chilies, it depends on your spice level. Thereafter, I'm cracking up the 2 eggs, which I'm going to beat later on. Adding rest of the items, half and half, cheese, salt to taste, and chili flakes. That's all. Thereafter, it's time to beat up all the ingredients together with the egg with a whisker. I'm going to cut the white breads into halves. I'm cutting them into triangles, small triangles, and out of each bread I'm making 2 triangles. Now in a hot pan, I'm adding enough oil to deep fry the breads. Once the oil is hot enough, I am dipping the breads into the egg batter, which I have already shown you how to make. And I'm going to very slowly dip the bread into the batter and deep fry the French toast. Note that I'm going to put the flame in medium and not in high, because if you put it in high, it is going to burn. So I'm going to fry the toast on each side until it turns golden brown. As you can see, I'm adding little bit of onions and green chilies on top of the bread, and I'm going to turn it over. I'm going to fry the rest of the bread in the similar way, and once it's done, I'm going to drip off the excess oil and put it on the serving plate. So friends, the egg French toast is ready. You can say this is the Indian version of the egg French toast, which I usually make. You can enjoy it in breakfast or as an evening snacks, and this is so delicious. You can see finally I'm garnishing it with little bit of shredded cheese on top of it and enjoy it with ketchup. Give this recipe a try and comment below to let me know how was it. Subscribe to my channel Soumiz World. See you soon. Bye bye.